Kom Group has maintained customer satisfaction at the highest level in line with the needs and requirements of its clients. Our company, which has been providing service to all parts of Turkey since 1985 as Kom Mill, produces high-tech feed packing machines with its experience, knowledge, and specialized team in the sector. The silage packing machines, which are produced by the R&D department that have been created in our company and provided to our farmers, are of high technology. Kom Silage KM series silage packing machines are designed for packaging beet pulp, corn silage, and all foliage crops. Thus, it has become the biggest supporter of our farmers. Kom Silage produces all its machines in the light of the philosophy of quality in Konya and transfers them to all Turkish and international markets in order to represent its leading technologies in the sector. If your goal is quality, we will definitely meet one day.